I don't come here to play around. The world is watching and want to know what are the government of the world doing towards bringing home black people in this black continent.
The 11th edition of the International Roots Homecoming Festival 2014 was not only graced with Jamaica's very own Sizzla kolonji performing, but also taking part in the many things which the Roots Festival had to offer. Full joy, a few short clips, what Clive Smith, As It Is TV, have put together.
And turn down a room with Emmanuel 11th edition of the International Roots Festival, celebrating Africa unity through culture, 9th to the 17th of May 2014. Are you listening? Yes. Oh, people, are you listening? Yes. Oh, Gambia, are you listening? Yes. England, are you listening? Yes. Jamaica, are you listening? Yes. African country is Ethiopia. Everywhere in Africa is Gambia. Everywhere is Ghana. The whole world is Africa. Other traders along the river included the Arab and the Berber, merchants who operate across the Sahara in North Africa. This interaction brought about the conversion of many local chiefs and their subjects to Islam. Trade with the Europeans also commenced, with the first European, Alvisto de Cadamostro, from Venice, Italy, venturing into the Gambia in 500 AD. Are you listening? However, the Portuguese traded at a commercial level with the locals, and by 1456, liquor, mirrors, beads, and cloth were being bartered with locals for gold dust, hides, ivory, and slaves.
Beautiful, you know, it's all about the reparation, you know. I want to rise up the president of Gambia, you know, to make it possible that we can be here. And I hope all the African states them adapt this, because we should have run them things like the West them run the Olympic. And we have it in Ghana, we have it in anywhere, any African state, and make the young people them be connected back. But rise up all the time. One Gambia.
So therefore, my beautiful people, this island is now called Kunta Kinte Island. And this same island, Gambia Diaspora. And this island is where they've chained my grandmother and grandfathers and, you know, your grandparents also. So I'm here this day. My name is Miguel Orlando Collins. That's the slave master's name. The priests in Ethiopia call me Fikre Miriam. Yeah? The children call me Dada. I'm from Jamaica. But I'm from here. Oh, I'm a bit confused, you know. I'm from here or where? Guinea or Ghana or Senegal. They took you from a lot of ports. So I want to say thank you very much for making this visit. All because of His Excellency Yaya Jammeh and the beautiful people in Gambia, the beautiful people in Gambia, and indeed Africa as a whole and the Western Diaspora. You don't play anything about that. Heartbeat. That's the bass. I have Bingi, so that's the music. That's the funde. Sitete. Hold it. Come around here.
This short film was brought to you from Clive Smith, As It Is TV.
As It Is TV.